Hey y'all, this is Crow's Closet. On this channel, I do everything that I consider beautiful, which is fashion, makeup, and home. Today, I have a video for you all that I'm super excited about because it's been one of my fashion secrets during COVID. It is a Walmart sweatsuit. So, like, I've been picking these up in every single color because I just been having fun styling them while being like cozy and warm and comfortable in the house, but also being able to like throw on a pair of boots or shoes or sneakers with this jumpsuit and run out the house really quickly. So I want to show you guys 3 ways to style a Walmart sweatsuit. Let me talk to you really quickly about the price of these. So they are so stinking cheap. I think the hoodie is like $16 and the pants are $11, or it might be vice versa, but I know I paid $27 for them when I go grab them. I've been like on a hunt for them because I feel like this is a secret that everybody knows about because I go in there and I can't find my size a lot of times. So I have to get a large in the bottoms and then I get a small hoodie, so a small up top. And they are just so soft and comfortable, and they're just like really stylish without trying too hard, which I absolutely love. They're from the Athletic brand at Walmart. And again, I have them in a couple colors now. I really should stop. But I can't help it. And again, I just want to be comfortable. So let's just get right into this video. I'm going to show you guys 3 ways I style these sweatsuits. Stay tuned. So the first way I style this is just a traditional way to wear a sweatsuit. So I pair the hoodie and the pants with a pair of sneakers. Right now I have a pair of Jordans on. And they are just like multicolored, so I figured it looked really cute to throw these sneakers on with this sweatsuit. It is in burgundy. Again, the bottom is in a large and the top is in a small. Super comfortable. It looks nice with any outerwear over it, so I'll pair it a lot with a leather jacket or a trench coat. Right now I have it paired with a leather jacket, so I have the burgundy sweatsuit on with a pair of high top Jordans and then a leather jacket. And this is just something that I throw on if I'm running to the store, if I have to run into my school building really quickly. It's just like a very versatile outfit, and I think it looks nice and well put together without trying too hard, and it's still looking like a sweatsuit. So this is nothing fancy. This is just a regular way to wear a sweatsuit, and this sweatsuit is only $27. I feel like I need to keep saying that because there are a lot of suits out there that are way more than that, and with very little difference or like very little more details on them. So again, I just paired it with a pair of high top Jordans and then a leather jacket, and this is a very easy, comfortable move around in outfit that I can run to the grocery store, run into the school building, run to the gas station, and it just doesn't look sloppy and like if I rolled out of bed. So that's outfit number 1. Outfit number 2, I paired the black bottom. So as you see, black bottoms, and then I grabbed a sweatshirt that I had in my closet and paired it with the pants. So the pants are $11 again, and the sweater was like $20. It's from H&M. It's off the shoulders black sweater with a pair of heels, and I can wear this out on a really quick date night with my husband, or just out to have drinks with the girls. I say that I haven't had drinks with the girls in a while now because COVID just does not allow for me to go do things like that. The only thing about this sweater is that it's uncomfortable to wear under things. I wore it when we went to the lights in the park because I was staying in the car, so I could take my jacket off and still look cute and sexy sitting next to my husband in the car. And it looks very, how do I say, like fashionable and very fashion forward for it to just be a sweatsuit or like sweatpants and like a sweatshirt, because essentially that's what that is. But paired with the off the shoulder top, it just makes it a little bit more sexy, a little bit more stylish. And then a pair of leopard print pumps with this is very easy and effortless and still very comfortable. Like, I know we're all like walking around here in like our joggers and our sweatpants and our leggings because like who's getting dressed these days? But this is a really cute way to still stay comfortable and fashionable at the same time. The last outfit I consider like a shopping outfit. I just go out shopping with this outfit on, and I paired the jumpsuit in navy blue with a pair of boots. I have these silver boots I got from Target like years ago, a couple years ago. And so it just looks really cute with the sweatsuit. So a pair of silver like ankle boots. They're a little bit high. They come up a little bit higher than ankle boot, but with the chunky heels, so it still looks very casual without looking very overdressed, but it still is very well put together. Again, this sweatsuit just fits me really nice, so it's very versatile for me. I can wear it with a bunch of things. Yeah, and so this outfit was very easy and simple, and it is an outfit that I probably wear a couple of times thrown on with a different pair of boots, to be quite honest. That was a very quick video on how I style the sweatsuit from Walmart. Again, it is only $27. Go get you some, sis. Why haven't you gone out and got it yet? Just very cute and comfortable and soft, and it just looks really good. My butt looks really good in it. The hoodie sits right at the perfect height for my torso. Just really cute, and any outerwear over it looks good. So if you want to see more videos like this, give me a big thumbs up. If you are not shopping at Walmart yet, girl, what are you doing? Get there. There are some really cute things. If you take your time and look at Walmart, you can find some really nice things, and then there are also some really nice stuff online. But the online selection is just really too big for me to focus. So yes, just get into some Walmart clothes. I know it's really cheap, but that's nice, especially in this time, to save yourself a little bit of coin is really nice and still looks super stylish. So make sure you're subscribed and turn on your notification bell so when I post videos like this, you are notified. I love you guys, and as always, I will see you later. Bye.